Hello and welcome to Chef Roy's Pizzeria. In this video, we are going to be talking about fractions. Fractions are all about sharing. Sharing equal amounts. Fractions could be a piece of something or a part of something. So let's begin with a pizza pie. This is one whole pizza, okay? So it hasn't been cut up, it hasn't been shared yet, okay? One whole, it's a complete pizza. One whole. This is half. One half. We write one half like this, 1/2. One half. 1/2, it means one half. This is 1/4. We write 1/4 like this, 1/4, because it's one part of 4, okay? What do you think this is? 2/4. And we write 2/4 like this, 2/4, because it's two parts of 4. So what would this be? 3/4. 3/4. 3 parts of 4. 3/4. And now we have 4/4. 4 parts of 4. We write it 4/4. When we have 4/4, we are back to one whole again. We have the whole pizza here, don't we? Okay, so if I want to cut a pizza in half, I cut it down the middle, and I will get 2 halves. If I want to cut it into quarters, I cut it down the middle and across the middle. Now I have 4/4. I can share it with 3 of my friends, me and 3 of my friends. I now have 4 equal parts, quarters. Look at this circle. This is a whole circle. If we split it in the middle like this, now we have 2 halves. Here is another whole circle. This is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 of a circle. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Have a look at this. What do you think this is? What would I write for this? This is one whole. And what's coloured in the next circle here? Half. What about over here? This is 1/4. 2/4. 3/4. And 4/4. You can see when I have 4/4, that means I have one whole. Chocolates. Tasty. Here I have one whole bar of chocolate. If I gave you this part, what would I be giving you? Would I be giving you a half or a quarter? A half. This is a half. This is a quarter. Half, quarter. Here's a challenge for you. Get a banana, and an adult should be with you. Get a plastic knife. You have to be very, very, very careful. Make sure you ask somebody first. Cut the banana in half, 2 equal parts. Remember, one part can't be bigger than the other. That would not be halves. Then try to share the banana into quarters, 4 equal parts. Here is another fractions activity that you could make and do. These are Pizza Fractions Clip-It cards. You could screenshot this screen and print it out, then cut up into cards. You could laminate them and use pegs to clip the peg onto the correct fraction. Or you could just print them out onto regular paper and circle the correct fraction with a pencil. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye for now.